Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a client kit so you can prepare everything you want to share with your client in one place here on Wix Studio. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, then select Client Kits. If it's your first time using it, click Start Now, and a pop-up will appear. Select the studio site you'd like to add to your client kit. Then click Continue. Here, click on Add Resources, and you can either upload the files or media you'd like to have ready for your client. Alternatively, you can also choose materials from Wix Studio. Wix Studio has ready-made videos that your client might find useful, so you can add resources just like that. Basically, just repeat the process for all the resources you need to add. Moving on to agency details. This is where you can share your info so your client can reach out to you. The info that will display here will depend on your own business info, which you can change on your settings business info. If you haven't set this up, you can click on business info right here, set it up, and then go back to creating your client kit. You can also choose to disable it in case you don't want to display your info. And finally, click on this arrow button here to view your recipients. Once everything's looking good, click on Save. An invite will then be sent to them and your client kit should be prepared. They'll then be able to access their personalized kit directly from their site's dashboard as well, such as in this case. And that's all for today. We hope you found this video of help. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.